lot of it. It's a Ford truck. All the sheetrock's in here. If you walk through the doorway here, and this is where all our plywood is. Got tongue and groove right there. Got Edge Gold tongue and groove. That's 5/8. I think that's 3/4. Yep. 3/4. There's 5/8 straight edge. Most of those are 7/16. It's OSB. Right there's the plywood. 3/8 up to 3/4. Coming out of the sheetrock building, you hang a right. Guard's falling off. Oh, the block right there. My rain guard. It's just a half-cut sheet of plywood. There's the rain guard. Alright. So here's where we keep all the block. Here's some pressure treated. Composite decking. We're going to keep our posts down on alongside the fence. Composite decking. Rain guard keeps on to fall off. This is where we keep all the insulation. It goes way back into there. And there's some up top too. Mesh. It's for concrete. Here's where we keep some of our treated stock treated. Now we're getting into the spruce. Spruce right here. Spruce, those are 2x12s. Those are all 2x10s. It's soaking wet today, as you can tell. side. This is all spruce. Those are 10s. Those are 12s. Those are 14s. These are 16s. There's some 8s. Stock right there. There's some really long ones. Go down around this corner. It came off. Sit you down for a minute. Alright, she's back up there. That building has all the roofing, shingles, rolled roofing. It's got a ton of that stuff in there. There's where we keep all the siding stuff. And then down there is all our pressure treated. Both sides. Short ones on the right, longer stuff on the left.